analyst. Let's move to the roles and responsibilities of a quality analyst in the BPO. So guys, I already explained you in my previous slide that quality analyst will do the audit and share the feedback to the employee. Now, how the feedback procedure will work? Quality analysts always give the feedback in a sandwich policy. Guys, HR always asks this question: what are the feedback mechanism? The feedback mechanism is the sandwich policy. Now, what is the sandwich policy? Sandwich policy in the sense, first we will go with the strength, what positive things that particular associate did while handling that particular cases. Then we will see the errors. Here, while giving the feedback, we will never say that associate did the particular error. We always say there is an opportunity which you have missed. After giving the opportunities, after sharing the feedback where that particular employer did the mistake, we will again go to the strength part. Here in the third one, in the strength part, what we will give, we will tell him the future opportunities, what he can do to make that particular case more better. So in this way, quality analysts always use a sandwich policy to share the feedback. Guys, always keep this in your mind. Next, I have already explained you guys, quality analysts will work on the Excel report as well. Quality analysts are also doing the analysis wherein they will work on the improvement of the quality, improvement of the process. English communication skills are mandate, logical skills are mandate, guys. If you're going with the quality analyst role, you need to think out of box to get the process improvement. Let's move to the next point. Quality analysts are also taking care for the target of the individual employee. For an example, if an employee is working for the entire month, he will take certain cases. After considering the cases, quality analyst will check the quality of those particular cases. So in different companies, their employees have a different targets. There are known as KRAs. So to meet those KRAs, quality analysts are responsible for that. So quality analysts will be aligned to that particular associate for the entire month. In different companies, they are aligned for weekly basis, and some companies they are aligned for the entire month. On the basis of that, quality analysts will check the performance of the employee. They will help the employee to get more positive cases, to get more positive scores, to get more increment in their scores. Quality analysts will also take part in the calibration, client meeting and process call. These are the things which are additionally done by the quality analyst, where calibration, I will explain you about the calibration in my future slides. Client meeting, for an example, if we have a client meet in our company, then quality analyst will be there and he used to talk with the client and they will discuss on the process improvement. Process call, weekly basis there will be a process call wherein client will tell us about the updates, client will tell us about the new things which are coming in the ongoing process. So quality analyst will take part in all those things as well. Quality analyst will also work on various report, as I already told you, like feedback coverage report, employee performance report. Guys, don't go deeply in this. In the upcoming slides, I will explain you what is feedback report, what are the performance report and all. And the main thing you guys need to focus on the Excel work. You guys need to be good with the Excel work. Quality analysts will also do the analysis type of work. In the BPO company, they are doing various type of analysis, which is dip check, RCA, AHT report, BQ analysis, transfer analysis. These are the certain analysis, guys. No need to worry, just keep remember these particular names. In the upcoming slides, definitely I will explain you about all the things. Guys, there are 3 more points which we will discuss. Quality analyst should be 100% perfect with his particular process knowledge, because because on the entire flow, anyone can come to you and they will ask you the question. So definitely you guys need to be 100% perfect on your process. And quality analyst should always talk on the basis of data. If you have a data ready with you, guys, always talk while representing the data. And quality analysts need to be calm, smiling face. He should interact with people every day, and he need to be sharp whenever he just speak any of the words, because guys, if you speak anything that will be considered like and process improvement plan or else a process update, whatever it is. So whenever if you share any feedback, any update, you guys need to be sharp with your words. So that's all from the quality analyst role in the BPO and the introduction to the quality analyst. Hope these points are very useful for you guys, and definitely if HR is asking you such questions, you can directly give these answers, and definitely you will not get rejected for the HR round in the quality analyst role. Thank you so much guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys like this video. Kindly share with your friends, kindly subscribe my channel for the upcoming videos. Thanks a lot.